I'm almost going to go 100% oats because, you know, the biggest thing I face out here is the cost of feeding these animals is crazy.
Yeah.
And when you got to do everything, when you got to run the farm, go out and get side jobs to pay for, you know, this greenhouse, most everything here was salvage materials. All the glass free, all the trees 2 months ago had bark on them. All the lumber was...
Really?
Oh yeah, these were trees that had bark on them.
Oh, so you peeled them?
Peeled them, sanded them, shaped them, sealed them, planted them. All these beams came from a deck job that somebody's going to throw away. The doors came from the door store. They're going to throw those away. All the glass from the wings was all thrown away. The sliding glass door entry was thrown away. All the glass was thrown away. All the wood was
you
bought.
live up at the restore when you're not here.
I have my
so
routes
people.
that I do every week to get animal food, pallets, doors, windows, cement. I mean, every white bucket out there is full of free cement. No, this whole greenhouse is built off of salvage materials and trees that I found. But so, back to the compost.
Barley.
This is, the animals are a big part of my compost. That's why, we're going to see the whole system here. But so I do this every day. I pull one out, put one in, pull one. And you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Every 9 days, here's my 9th day. And there's all different kinds of ways to do this, okay? I'm just doing
Oh my God,
way
look at that.
That's crazy.
because this is all I have. I mean, I had the roofing, I had the wood. I did this differently last time. In Oregon, we buried a 40-foot cargo container in the earth, like an earth ship, and we're producing commercial amounts of fodder for a raw milk dairy. It's beautiful.
Really?
Great, sweet lady. She's going to start sending me raw cream here soon.
Did you use sunlight or...
Don't need it.
Oh,
none? You don't really, you don't even need it really. Ambient light, I used to do this with no light.
Yeah, I grow it in buckets, and I don't let any light in the buckets, and it's totally green.
Why is it better with no light?
It doesn't need light. You see, what happens is, on the 9th day, it starts losing its micronutrient enzyme content because it starts to go to the grass and the blade. And now you're losing. You don't have that super food, because now the sun's going, grow grass. It's doing a whole other thing. So it is its best between 8 and 10 days. That's its most potent. You can bring a pig to the market on this, which is unheard of. Now this is like the all-around. There's a problem with it, though, especially what I'm growing it. It falls apart. And you'll see the goats get kind of messy with it. I'm working this one out. I understand. When you have nothing and trying to make something work,